and that's why the water keeps running. So that's gotta get lowered all the way down in order for this water to quit running. I'm trying to do this while I'm holding the video camera. See that? I unhooked it, and now that chain is loose. But that's how you flush your toilet, and that chain gets hung up in there. I hope this video helps someone, and it also saves you time and money from calling a plumber out to unhook a simple chain from your toilet. My name's Enos Hirschberger. Please like and subscribe if this video helps.